Hi! In front of me is T-Mobile phone 6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. First of all, you need to open Calendar app. If you never used it before, click on this icon at the bottom right corner of it and then select Got it. Now you need to click on the month above over here and pick a date by tapping on the chosen one. I will go with this one. Now you can create your event by tapping over here twice or selecting this plus icon at the bottom right corner and tapping on event from the list. Either way, now you can customize it however you want to. Over here, for example, add a title. Then click on your email and select the best option for you. I will go with family events. Then you can pick starting hour, save it by choosing OK, and ending one. You can even click over here and change your date. If you want to, you can always disable this starting and ending hour feature completely by selecting this gray switcher next to all day. Now click on Does Not Repeat. From here, click on the best option for you if you want your event to repeat, for example, every year. If you don't, click on the same option and tap on Does Not Repeat. You can also select Custom at the bottom and adjust custom reoccurrence however you wish to. To save your changes, tap Done at the top right corner. I will go with Does Not Repeat though. Now you can add people, videos, and even click on Add Location. In here, select while using the app or only this time to allow location access, and type in an address of your event. Then click on the correct result. Now you need to scroll down again and tap on Add Notification. Then tap on one of those options, 1 week before, 2 days before, or select Custom and adjust it however you wish to. I will go with 5 days before at 10 AM. Then click on OK over here and select Done in this pop-up to save your changes. Now you can also change color of your event for it to stand out more. I will go with tomato. Take notes, add attachments, and finally save your event by choosing Save at the top right corner of it. As you can see, mine is here. If you wish to make some changes, you can always tap on it and edit it by selecting this pen icon at the top right corner. Now make your changes. If you change your mind, you can always discard them by clicking on the top left corner and tapping on Discard, or save it by choosing Save at the top right one. Finally, to get rid of your event completely, click on it and tap on those 3 dots at the top right corner. Then select Delete at the top, and lastly confirm your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!